Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to be recapping my experiences in Namibia. I've got a whole lot of footage. And I can't for the life of me figure out how I got it. So I'm going to get onto a Zoom call with a good friend of mine, Bonga, and he's going to help me piece together the experiences and everything, and hopefully help you guys see how I experienced Namibia. How you doing, bro?
Good, man. How are you?
All good, all good, all good. Bro, we recently went to Namibia, yeah? And I've got all this footage that I can't remember, like, for the life of me, what we got up to. Like, I know your memory, you can run me through what happened. Do you remember?
Bro, it was a 7-day trip to Namibia, and we went with the homie Travel with Africa. And the first place that was jumping was Swakopmund.
Where's that?
Pretty simple. It's in the coastal side of Namibia. Actually, the western side of Windhoek. And I'm not talking about the beer. No. I'm talking about the capital city of Namibia, Windhoek. Yeah, learned.
What else?
Its sandy beaches face the Atlantic Ocean, so you know that water's cold. More like Cape Town, but a bit colder.
Sounds pretty cool, but what did we actually get up to though?
So on the first day we drove out to Spitzkoppe, a mountainous oasis in the desert. We climbed up and had a little bit of a photo shoot with the group. And you took the drone out.
Yo, that sounds amazing. But that's only one day though, because I've got all this sand in my camera bag and I can't figure out how I got it there.
Well, then we drove out to Dorob National Park for some sand duning, baby.
Wait, we went sandboarding?
Yes, sir, we did. They hooked us up with some boots and some sandboards, and after a short brief, we went up. All the way up.
Yo, I remember that was a tough ass walk. If you ever do the sandboarding in Swakopmund, make sure you have like a couple of weeks of training. It is tough, but it was fun in the end. Yes. Yes.
Made it. You know the way I wish I was Bonga right now. No,
Where's Bonga now?
there he is in front.
Yo! Way ahead. young break. Young water break. Such a cool day. Okay, so this explains all the sand I had in my bag, but that's only, what, 3 days? What else did we do?
And then we headed off to Dune number 7 for some epic quad biking in the desert. Woo!
G, you heard the man. This means go faster. This is all I want to see all day, bro, all day.
Sad story, the organizers told you couldn't record. So you left your equipment, took the drone and your camera, and you did the things, bro. Come on.
I remember that, but yeah, it was pretty fun. I got the content eventually. I think Bonga dropped off the call. Oh well, anyway, thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed that, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, hit the bell notification so that you get notified when I release a new video. I don't release that often, but when I do, I try to give it my all. I'll probably be a little more consistent now, but yeah, hope you enjoyed it. Peace!